it's like AI overload here. I'm up to my eyeballs in options, and yet nothing feels right. It's all so cookie cutter.
In the bustling heart of the Tech Expo, overwhelmed by the sea of AI solutions, Millie stands at a crossroads. Amidst the digital clamor, her plea for uniqueness echoes, seeking a beacon of innovation.
That darn transporter always gives me indigestion. I wish they would get that fixed. Oh, hi, Millie. Wonderful to see you again. What seems to be the problem this time?
Enter Nicola Vector, a time traveler from the year 2042 and friend of marketing Millie. He arrives with a solution as timely as his appearance. The air tingles with anticipation, hinting at the unveiling of something truly special.
This might just be the one pickle even you can't solve. I'm buried under an avalanche of AI-generated technobabble. I need to stand out, not just blend into the endless feed of sameness.
Ah, the classic creator's quandary in the digital age. But don't be silly, of course I can help you. Fear not, for I've got just the trick up my sleeve. Let me introduce you to Castmagic, but it's not the abracadabra kind. It's pure, unadulterated Nicola innovation.
Nicola, I'm disappointed in you. What kind of technology snake oil are you trying to sell here? Honestly, do you really expect me to buy a product with magic in the name?
Skepticism meets promise, as Millie confronts her doubts head-on, challenging Nicola to prove that Castmagic is more than just another AI tool.
Okay, Nicola, let's say I throw everything at Castmagic. Zoom chats, Instagram stories, the whole shebang. Is it going to turn that into blog-worthy stuff without losing my special sauce?
Millie, have a little faith in your friend Ziggy. Have I ever let you down? Castmagic doesn't just handle your content. It treats it like a Michelin star chef treats a prime cut. Your special sauce. It'll practically bottle and sell it.
As Nicola reveals Castmagic's capabilities, a world of potential unfolds. Millie's curiosity is piqued, but her pragmatism remains unshaken, her questions sharp and probing.
All right, Nicola, you've got my attention. But let me warn you, the AI tools I have tried all make my content sound like it was churned out by a robot on autopilot.
Fear not, Castmagic's AI is more like a savvy content sommelier than a soda fountain. It's trained to pick up on the nuances of your vintage voice and serve it up just right every time.
This Castmagic thing, though, can it really jazz up my content? Or is it just a glorified spell checker with a sense of humor?
Jazz up, Millie. It's going to turn your content into a Mardi Gras parade of engagement. Castmagic has more tricks up its sleeve than a street magician on Bourbon Street.
Nicola navigates Millie's skepticism with the ease of a maestro. Each feature of Castmagic a note in his symphony of persuasion, painting a picture of unparalleled creative freedom.
Trust me, it's more than just rabbits and hats. With Castmagic, we're talking unicorns and entire galaxies.
Okay, but let me warn you, if I get a whiff of techno hockey pucks, the infamous nerd gizmos, Nicola Ziggy Vector's reputation will suffer, and I am out of here.
Okay then, let me show you a little bit of the system, and you tell me if it is magic or not. All right, strap in. Once you've hopped aboard the Castmagic Express, the very first port of call is picking out your content costume. Imagine you're dabbling in the podcasting arts, diving into the YouTube vortex, orchestrating meetings that should have been emails or coaching calls that could have been podcasts. Whatever your flavour, you'll choose the content preset that fits like Cinderella's slipper. So, whether you're a podcaster with a penchant for storytelling or a YouTuber with visuals that dazzle, there's a tailor-made setting just for you.
A moment of revelation. Millie's skepticism fades, replaced by the dawning realization of Castmagic's potential to revolutionize her content creation process.
This setup looks more useful than I thought. Seeing all my audio clips laid out and ready to turn into something more, pretty neat. And the interactive transcript, if it really lets me edit on the fly, that's a solid feature. But you're making some big promises with this AI content generation. Summaries, titles, keywords, all automatically generated from my podcast. And then there's this magic chat feature based on my recording. It sounds impressive, sure. So, if I want to leave out a part of the conversation from the AI analysis, I can do that easily, right? And I can customize what kind of content it spits out based on what I actually need. The real question is, can Castmagic really get the essence of my podcast? Can it filter out the fluff and highlight what's genuinely worth sharing? Because that's what I need, efficiency and results, not just fancy tech.
Okay, Millie, I get it. I know what you're looking for. And if this doesn't do it, then nothing will. See, creating your own prompt is just the beginning. When you edit a prompt, you're not just giving instructions, you're setting the stage for the type of content you want. But here's the kicker. You can feed it a sample of your own work. Say a tweet, a blog snippet, whatever captures your essence. This tells Castmagic, hey, this is me. Mimic this vibe. And voila, it crafts content in your voice matching your unique style. And this magic chat? Think of it as your personal brainstorming buddy, ready to dance around ideas or flesh out content prompts. Based on your episode, it's like having a creative co-pilot. Oh, and for those moments of inspiration that hit you while you're out and about, the iOS app has you covered. Record directly into your phone, and it syncs with your workspace. Imagine capturing the raw emotion of a sunset or the bustling energy of a city street for your next piece, all in real time. And this Pages function, it's a game changer. Compiling insights from multiple recordings to create a comprehensive content piece. It's like having your own team of researchers pulling together the best bits to tell a story. Whether you're crafting an email sequence for sales or assembling a lesson plan from coaching sessions, it's all at your fingertips. So there you have it, Millie. Castmagic isn't just another tool in your arsenal, it's the maestro ready to orchestrate your content symphony. With custom commands and style learning and seamless integration across platforms, it's ready to infuse your unique special sauce into every piece you create. All right, Millie, level with your old pal Ziggy here. After all that jazz and razzmatazz about Castmagic, you've got to admit it's everything I touted it to be. And then some, isn't it? Be honest with your buddy Ziggy. This isn't just smoke and mirrors. It's the real deal, a genuine game changer for content creators like you. So what do you say? Are you ready to let Castmagic sprinkle a little of its magic on your work?
Okay, Nicola, you got me. I hate to admit it, but you've truly outdone yourself this time. Castmagic, it's downright impressive. I came here bracing for another sales pitch, but what you showed me, it's like discovering a secret weapon I didn't even know I needed. From custom prompts that sound just like me, to syncing content on the go, and even stitching together insights from different recordings, Castmagic is a content creator's dream come true. Full steam ahead, huh? Well, consider me on board and ready to set sail with Castmagic. You've won me over, Ziggy. Let's see how far this magic can take my content. It's time to crank the creativity up to 11 and let Castmagic do its thing. Here's to making waves and turning heads. You've impressed me, Nicola, and that's no easy feat.
With newfound conviction, Millie steps into the fold of Castmagic users, her initial doubts transformed into eager anticipation for the creative possibilities that lie ahead.
Okay, Millie, great seeing you again and glad I could help. So until next time, I'm out of here.
As our story concludes, Millie embarks on her new journey with Castmagic, ready to explore, create, and perhaps discover a little magic of her own. If you're struggling to create content, then imagine a place where every piece of content you create is infused with innovation and uniqueness. Then why not join us at Castmagic, where your content's potential is limitless?